In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable links in Yahoo Mail. This is a valuable skill that helps you manage your emails more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and search for Yahoo. You will see a list of search results. Look for the official Yahoo website, which is usually the first link. This step is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the right platform. A legitimate website safeguards your information and provides a seamless user experience. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link to enter the Yahoo homepage. The screen will display various sections, including Mail, News, and Finance. This step matters because it sets the stage for accessing your email account. You want to ensure you are on the official Yahoo page to avoid any phishing risks. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the Yahoo website where you can manage your account. At this point, sign in if prompted. You will see fields where you can enter your username and password. It's essential to enter your credentials accurately. Doing so grants you secure access to your email account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your identity with a code sent to your device. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, which is important for protecting your personal information. Once you have entered your details, click the Sign In button. Now, click the three dots in the left bottom corner and select Settings. The Settings menu will open, displaying various options related to your account. This step is important because it allows you to customize your email experience. By accessing the settings, you can adjust preferences that will enhance how you use Yahoo Mail. Look for the icon that resembles three stacked dots. It is typically located in the lower left area of your screen. From there, click on Viewing Email. This section deals with how your emails are displayed. You will find options related to images, links, and other display settings. Understanding this area can significantly improve your email management, making it easier to read and navigate your messages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options presented here, as they will influence your email experience. Next up, change the Show Images and Messages option to Always Except in Spam folder. This setting ensures that images and links in your emails are displayed without restrictions. It is crucial because many emails contain important links that may not work correctly if images are blocked. By allowing images to show, you enhance the functionality of your emails and can access all the necessary information seamlessly. After making this change, be sure to save your settings as this ensures your preferences are applied. With that ready, you can now enjoy a more functional email experience in Yahoo Mail. By enabling links and images, you open the door to richer content in your messages. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your workflow and communication efficiency. You'll find that being able to click links directly will save you time and effort. In summary, you have learned how to enable links in Yahoo Mail. By following these steps, you've taken control of your email settings, ensuring a smoother and more secure communication experience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.